Te paralog so she's saying nang don biang sabar kini ki paralog jungi. Te jingiakren but ki jingiakli siya ka pineapple. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
So what's your name?
Gayatri.
Just hold this. So where are you from?
I'm from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. So you stay in Delhi or?
No, I have come here for office purpose.
Okay, so you saw this.
Yeah.
So how did you came
He
to?
brought us
Oh,
here.
okay, so
he
he's from
said
here.
there is amazing festival and we get nice pineapple there. So we just had.
Okay, you just had. So tell me
Yeah.
the experience about that.
It was amazing. I've never had it before. I didn't even knew, like being from India, that this kind of variety
Fine.
exists.
Okay. So how do you feel about this whole experience regarding this festival? I know it's very early
Yeah.
because most of the
We are
most
just
happening things will happen in the evening with the music and all.
Yeah.
But so far, how do you enjoy it or?
Yeah, I think it's very nice. I was just can't take my eyes off with all these unique things. So it's amazing.
Okay, that means a lot, and thank you so much,
Yeah,
and
thank
have a
you.
good day.
Thank
Enjoy
you
the
so
show.
much. Thanks.
Bye.